In this video, we are looking at the latest IM from QoA, Queen of Audio, a subsidiary of Kinera. You can say sister brand too, as they like to uh, advertise. Sistering brand of Kinera. They have different people for tuning and stuff. I believe I would like to believe that, but I'm not exactly sure what they are doing internally. But it seems like they have a slightly different team that does the tuning. But I believe the operation is within the family or within the management. This one is the Kinera Aviation. Then, sorry, not Kinera. This is QoA, Queen of Audio Aviation. This one is priced at $200 and is generously packed with 3 BA drivers and 1 DD. You guys can see the impedance is slightly on the higher side at 40 ohm, around 40 ohm, and sensitivity is 118 dB, which is fairly good. Now the cable is modular. There is nothing mentioned about the modularity of the cable here. Here, as you guys can see, I can see the graph here, and the magnitude is 10, and as far as I can see, the drop is of around 15 dB, 15, 18 dB. So it is decent and should be very forgiving. It looks like it should be forgiving, but this graphs can be deceiving. So let's see. It's difficult to perceive from a graph, but what I can see is it is decently bassy, around 10 dB. So it should be reasonably bassy. As I said, it is more than difficult to perceive or tell exactly what the IM sounds from just a graph. So I will not jump the gun. Let's have a look at the set of accessories. I'm not expecting any final audio tips here. There's the cheaper IM. So yes, no final audio tips here. QoA official, Queen of Audio. I'm not sure where this will lead, but in any case, we are getting some QR codes and some specification here. One in-ear monitor cable, 3.1 earphone case, and silicone ear tip, 6 pairs. Nice. The case looks fantastic. Kinera and QoA have been very generous with their accessories, and this is no exception either. So this looks very good. This case looks fantastic, to be precise. White and blue, this case looks very good. Excellent, to be precise. Let's see if we have something. Yeah, we have the cable here, which in its own looks very good, and we are getting the modules here, 3.5 mm module and 4.4 mm module. So push insert type of modules, much easier to install and take out. Fairly decent. I already have the QoA Margarita, one of the best IM, I think, for under $500, around $500, not exactly under, because that is $550. So these are the set of tips, and I believe I will stick with these whiteboard tips. These tips look fantastic, to be precise, but I will stick to the whiteboard ones. Let's have a look at the IM. They take very good care of the presentation, and look at this. We get protection all across the earpiece, and it looks fantastic. Fantastic looking shell, crafted with care to be precise, and it looks nice. I'll leave the back protection on aviation, and they are saying this is the celestial kind of design. Let's take it out. Doesn't make much sense. Doesn't look that good with the plastic on it. So very good looking earpieces, very good design here. Stardust or moon dust or celestial kind of design, you guys can say. And we have another piece of plastic here. So there is plenty of protection for these earpieces. In any case, these are some of the best looking IEMs in this price range, around $200. So let's see how this sounds. QoA and Kinera have been making a lot of progress when it comes to tuning. I find the Margarita to be the best around its asking price. Yes, it is smoother, not a very detail oriented IEM, but yeah, the tuning principle has changed and they have been much more consistent and much more uniform with the presentation and spectrum wide emphasis. So let's see how this $200 IEM performs. So this is the unboxing. We get a handful of stuff here, a very good looking case, one of the best looking cases to be precise. Really, we do not get this kind of case even with some $1,000 IEMs. So this is a very good looking, very good looking case for a $200 IEM. So let's see how this sounds. So this is the unboxing of QoA Aviation. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.